My house is in complete remod, and I purchased these knobs off of Amazon. And it doesn't matter if I try to tighten them up, they won't release the striker. If I tighten these two screws and you turn the knob, this won't come back out. I've tried to lubricate it. I've tried everything I could think of, and nothing works. Here's another example. See, look at it. It's not even coming all the way out. I have to leave it loose in order to close and open the door. This was a complete waste of my money, and I would recommend that anybody that needs a doorknob not get theirs off of Amazon. Here's one from the same box that's working, but 1 out of 20 is not great. Here's another one. Look at, doesn't even close all the way. I've even got everything lined up all the way. Doesn't close. These two knobs over here, same thing. Look at, will not come out all of the way. Junk. This one too. Look at, junk. Look at, nothing happens. Junk. Well, here's one that worked. Yay, I got lucky. I got 2 out of the batch that's working. 3. 4. So out of the 20 plus knobs I purchased, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are junk. Buyer beware.
Can't comprehend how a door opens when it's stuck shut. Makes no freaking sense.